to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. And also there is a bell button down there, so don't forget to hit that bell button. Otherwise you won't be notified if I upload any video. I'm super excited because I'm going to talk all about my hairs today, and I love my hairs. I can style it the way I want. So today I'm going to talk about my hair care products. So yeah, let's get started. Before talking about the hair care products, I'm going to talk about my hair styling tools which I use to style my hairs. So this is a hair dryer that I got from Philips. This is a 1600 watt hair dryer. So this comes with a styling nozzle out here, so you can use the way you want. It gets open also. You can simply use this, or if you want to style your hair a bit, then you can use this one. So the next hair styling tool is this straightener. So this comes with a long wire which I absolutely love. You can plug in anywhere, like if you have a socket really far away from the place you sit. So it does a pretty decent job because it has long wire, and which I really like. So this straightener is also from Philips. Sit in Salon Straight Essentials over here, if you can see. So this is ceramic plated, which is really good for hairs, like it gives a shine to your hair. If your straightener is ceramic plated, then it's really good. I got this online and I don't exactly remember the site. I'll put the link in the description bar if I find it. It works absolutely fine for my hair. So apart from those styling tools, I use this paddle brush which is from Forever 21, and it does a pretty good job for my hairs. So Forever 21 has good and affordable hair brushes, so you can buy from there. Okay, so these are my hair accessories and tools. So let's start with my hair care products. So these are the products that I use and I'm going to talk about now. Okay, so let's start with the dry shampoo. Currently I'm using this Batiste Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo. So this is in the flavor Fruity and Cheeky Cherry, and I really love the smell of this one. So this is the dry shampoo which contains 200 ml of the product, and the price is 649 rupees. You can always get it on discount from any online store. If you have not washed your hair since long, and suddenly you have to go somewhere, then this is the savior for this. You can just shake it well, and you can just spray in the roots of your hairs and just rub your hair, and your hair does not look oily. As far as I know, this is one of the best dry shampoos, and so if you're looking for a dry shampoo, then you can definitely go for this one. So the next hair product that I use is this Toni and Guy hair mist. So this is basically a heat protection mist. So the price of this is 750 rupees, and you will get 150 ml of the product. I know this is a bit pricier side, but if you're gonna talk about the quality of this product, it does a pretty good job. It basically does not only help you protection from heat, it also helps in giving a volume to your hair, and which I really like. So this is one of the best heat protection mist I have used till date, and this is my absolute favorite one. I have one other heat protection mist, and I have already talked about it. This is from a brand called Berina. I won't say it works very well. It just works pretty okay. So this is priced at rupees 520, and you will get 230 ml of the product. Okay, so now let's talk about some hair polish sprays. So I use this BBlunt Spotlight hair polish, and this is for instant shine to your hair. So I basically use it when I go for a night out or a party at night. So it gives a really pretty shine to your hairs. The price of this is 550 rupees, and you will get 150 ml of the product. Now let's talk about hair serum. I don't use hair serum much, but currently I have two hair serums. First one is this Vedic line, which I have already talked about, and I don't use this much. This is priced at rupees 400, and you will get 100 ml of the product. What I don't like about this is when I apply it on my hairs, it gives a kind of oily texture, which I absolutely hate. So the next one I use is this Matrix hair serum. This is a Matrix Optic Hair Smooth Straight Serum, and this is a professional split end serum. This does a pretty good job, at least better than the Vedic line one. So this basically contains 100 ml of the product, and the price is 410 rupees. It hydrates your hair really well. So yeah, I like this one. Okay, now let's talk about my shampoo and conditioner. So currently I'm using this TRESemmé Expert Selection Beautiful Volume Shampoo. So this is priced at rupees 150, and it gives 190 ml of the product, which is absolutely pocket friendly. So the next shampoo that I am using is this Ginger Anti-Dandruff shampoo from the Body Shop, and I tell you guys, this is one of the holy grail product for me. So this cleared out the flakes I had on my hairs, and then it also smoothens the scalp really well, and I absolutely love this shampoo. You will get 250 ml of the product, and the price is okay. So the conditioner that I'm currently using is this BBlunt Intense Moisture Conditioner, and this is for seriously dry hair. So this contains 200 gram of the product, and the price is 400 rupees. Before that I was using the white one, which is for dry hair, normal to dry hair, and I love that one as compared to this one. I ran out of it completely, and I'm gonna buy the white one next time. So this does a pretty decent job. I really like the BBlunt conditioners, and I'm using it since quite a few years. So yeah, this is the conditioner that I'm using currently. Okay, so let's talk about hair oils. So I'm currently using the Khadi Herbal hair oil, and if you have followed me since long, you know I love this hair oil. So this is from Khadi Amla and Brahmi one. I have already used the other hair oil for anti-dandruff, and that one is also good. So I'm currently using this one, and this does a pretty good job for my hairs. It really gives moisture to my hair. This contains 210 ml, and the price is 130 rupees. Next hair oil I have is from Patanjali. This is the Tejas Talam. I don't use this much, but this is the product that I use basically when I make hair packs. This is priced at rupees 60, and you will get 100 ml of the product. The next hair oil is also from Patanjali, and this is the coconut hair oil. Sometimes I apply this one also. So this contains 200 ml of the product, and the price is 62 rupees. So these are my hair care products that I use. Let me know if you guys use any of these, and what are your take on it. I would love to know that. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and meet you guys in my next video. Bye bye.